Tomatoes, red wine, and lots of spices are simmered with vegetables and crumbled tempeh in a zesty vegan ragu that is served over an al dente pasta and topped with crunchy panko breadcrumbs. This was one of those pasta nights where the sauce made up more of the meal's bulk than the pasta. In other words, the best kind. Chop one whole yellow onion. You will need 2 celery stalks and chop it into small pieces. Cut 1 whole big carrot, the same size as the onion, and celery. Prepare the toasted panko breadcrumbs. Coat a medium pan with oil and place over medium-high heat. Add panko breadcrumbs and cook, flipping occasionally until lightly browned, about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from pan and transfer to a container afterwards. Prepare the Tempeh Ragù. Place olive oil in a large sauté pan and place over medium heat. Add the garlic. Cook it for about 2 minutes before adding the onions. Next is add the celery and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the onions becomes translucent. Add in the chopped carrots. Add the tomato paste and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Pour the dry red wine and let it simmer and reduce in half before adding the cup of water. Now throw in the can of chunked tomatoes. Now add the tempeh. Just crumble it using your fingers and add inside. Add sugar to kill the acidity. You may now add the herbs. Add oregano, thyme, paprika, and season with salt and pepper. You may also add in some basil leaves. And lastly, pour in some non-dairy milk and add some bay leaves. Stir to incorporate and bring to a simmer. Remove from heat, serve. Divide pasta onto plates and top with Tempeh Ragù, toasted panko, and parsley. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like button and leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button and notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a healthy day!